Hello everyone, today we're going to take a closer look at the Sunny Health and Fitness Total Body Pink Stepper Machine, P2000. This compact yet sturdy exercise machine is designed to provide a quality workout experience that's within reach of anyone who wants it. First off, let's talk about the brand. Sunny Health and Fitness has been a recognized name in the fitness industry for over 20 years. They're known for their high-quality fitness products and excellent customer support, and this pink stepper machine is no exception. The first thing you'll notice about this stepper machine is its vibrant pink color. It's not just about aesthetics, though. The color is part of the brand's effort to keep your workout stylish, portable, and chic. With this uniquely accented and colored design, exercise and stair climbing have never looked this great. But it's not all about looks. The Sunny Health and Fitness Pink Stepper Machine is also about performance. It features a digital monitor conveniently placed to track your step count, time, calories, and total count. It can also scan through each metric automatically, providing you with all the data you need to monitor your progress. One of the standout features of this stepper machine is its adjustable height. This allows you to tailor the height of your steps to suit your workout, whether you prefer steep climbs or a high-intensity quick mini stepper workout. The machine is also designed with safety in mind. It has a unique stabilizer ring on the foundation of the stepper to keep your steps steady, unshakable. This provides added safety and peace of mind while you stay focused on your exercise session. The pink exercise stair stepper is expertly engineered and made from quality material, enabling it to support a max user weight of 220 lb. Despite its sturdy design, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 15.8 pounds. Plus, its compact dimensions of 16.3 length, 13 width, 13.6 height inches make it space efficient and portable. The stepper machine comes pre-assembled, so you can avoid the frustration of putting together your exercise machine. Simply unbox it and begin your fitness journey. In conclusion, the Sunny Health and Fitness Machine, P2000 is a stylish, compact, and high-performing exercise machine. It's perfect for anyone looking to step up their fitness game and tone their glutes, hamstrings, and thighs. With its delightful design and excellent features, it's a great addition to any home gym.